So we are at the farm right now. Naglilinis.
Nuclear bomb. Mushroom cloud.
Oh my gosh. Naligo pa ako. Kaliligo ko lang.
Mom, this could be an airsoft field. Yeah.
Say hi to Dad.
Hi. Hi.
Say hello, Tito Henry.
Hi. Dad. Hi. Tito Henry.
So can you stay here for a year?
Yeah.
How about you, Tio? Be careful with that ampang. Maiwas-iwas mo sa kanila. Ayan. So, I guess we are going to celebrate my birthday again. So, we brought some of our leftover food. Hindi ako nakantahan kahapon. So, kakantahan nila ako ngayon. So, look what we have. There. Laon namin. Raisin loaf. Munggo loaf. Pansit. Na ilang beses nang naipainit. Ay, hindi ngayon palang ata yun kasi leftovers too. Yeah, and then ano to? Oh, another pansit. And I think, palabok. And some palabok. Ayan. We're just waiting for the high school kids to arrive. And kakain na kami ng dinner. And ito yung yan. Ruot-ruot. May konting kamote patch right here. Sana ating bunga lugar kakamote lata aminan. Ayan, ito yung basketball area. So, papalagyan natin yung basketball dito para makapaglarong mga bata. Ala, di aso na pandabambantayin di ko na. Yes! Hoy, be careful! What do you mean?